All right, I'm here with Tyson at the Virginia Horse Center, and we have some exciting news about the new Virginia Horse Center eventing coming up in May. So, Tyson, you've been here for a couple weeks and you've been busy at work. Tell us how many jumps at this point have you cranked out?
Yeah, absolutely. I think at the end of the day today, we're at around 45 fences, maybe 47. It's easy to lose track. There's quite a few. We're working on the beginner, novice, through preliminary fences right now, and we've gotten a pretty good start.
And tell us about the different questions that you're building right now for the course.
It's really fun to start from scratch because you've got all the questions that are out there. There's a lot of permanent infrastructure that's still here at the Horse Center. The banks, the ditches, the water jumps, those are all still in place. But all the portable fences, all the new log jumps, they're all getting ready to be placed now. We've built them, and it's up to the course designers who are going to planning to come in at the end of the month to start positioning them and creating all the new interesting complexes that we have.
Okay, and how many jumps altogether are you going to build?
We've got about 104 fences altogether on the horse trial side alone. Here at the Virginia Horse Center, we have two different sides of the road. We have the horse trial side that runs over here with the Coliseum, and then we have the typically FEI side of the road, which we call the Oak Hill property, and that's the undulating terrain on the other side of the road that's far more open and galloping, and we run all the FEI levels over there. And this year we're really looking forward to bringing some continuity between the two sides of the road and having a lot of the same features, smaller versions of the same features that you're going to see over the big guys jump on the Oak Hill side, that you'll get to have the smaller guys jump over here at the horse trials.
Okay, and then tell me about the Horse Center also acquired multiple jumps from Red Hills.
Yeah, unfortunately, we lost one of the greatest events that we had in the country, which was the Red Hills Horse Trials. It was in Tallahassee, Florida, and it had put in a solid performance for a long, long time. And last year, they ran their last event. But on the bright side, the Virginia Horse Center organized a deal with the organizers of the Red Hills Horse Trials to acquire those fences, and which are a beautiful set of FEI jumps. A lot of the fences there designed by Mike Etherington Smith and David O'Connor. We've got 8 tractor trailers lined up, ready to be loaded, and they're going to come over here to the Virginia Horse Center and provide us with a lot of the portable fences that you'll get to see on the Oak Hill side of the property.
And when will those be delivered?
We're looking at second week in February. We should have just about all the fences here on site in Virginia.
Okay, and so we're going to have divisions from beginner, novice, the whole way up through 3-star. So for our competitors, what do they have to look forward to?
They have what to look forward to, everything the Virginia Horse Center has to offer, and the Virginia countryside. It's one of the most beautiful places that I get to work, and I work all over the country. But the rolling hills and the undulating terrain, you just can't duplicate that. You can't buy that. It's a beautiful piece of property where horses just love to run and jump. The undulating terrain and the new fences out there are going to be pretty spectacular. Not to mention all the infrastructure that the Virginia Horse Center has to offer. The beautiful permanent stablings. Every time I turn around, there seems to be a new arena being added or built. So all the stuff that's outside my jurisdiction, that's not the cross-country course, is really spectacular as well. So we're looking forward to everybody coming out and to enjoy that.
Okay, and one last question. What do you do with all the scrap wood when you're done creating the course?
They all get bundled up and sent to the North Pole, and that's what Santa makes the toys out of.
Okay, but I also heard something about a little bonfire, maybe?
The ones that don't make it to the North Pole. That's right, we're bringing back the bonfire.
Yeah.
Back when Brian and Penny Ross always had a great bonfire and competitors party, actually right down below where we're standing right now. And we use lots of the old wood, lots of the old cedar brush. We make a great big fire, and everybody comes together and has a great time. And we are all really looking forward to the bonfire in 2023.
Okay, that's awesome. Thanks, Tyson.
Cheers. Good to see you.